Just thought when I had the panels off underneath the back of the S3 Elise, I'd take some video footage just to let people have a look and see what is underneath the S3. Coming over to the exhaust. So, cat here I guess, coming from the engine manifold through the cat around to the box and out the spout there. So the galvanised chassis member at the back, which bolts onto the alloy chassis towards the front of the car. Back of the wishbones, bottom of the engine, gearbox, drive shaft, which I've actually masked up and painted some smooth gold hammerite just because it was bugging me that it was just rusting. Moving across to the sump oil filter, and again the drive shaft, which is masked off at the minute. I'll take the masking paper off shortly. I've got the axle stands up on the bottom of the wishbones either side, and moving forward through to the, I guess that's the gearbox wires or cables, and then moving forward to the front area where the handbrake joins and comes out to the back hubs. So what I'm planning to do is put a rear tow point for track days on this chassis member here and into that hole there. So I've got a few ideas for that. This would be a great point to jack the car up from in a single point, so I'm going to work on something with that. It is at an angle. This section is at an angle, it's not 90 degrees, that would be 90 degrees to the ground there, so it does make it awkward. So I'm thinking about putting some nibs on there and a bar that fits across, just so I can jack up in this centre point round about here, and get both back wheels off the ground. I know there's an issue with balancing the Elises. They can fall backwards quite easily. Okay, as I say, just thought I'd let people have a look under this water pump, pipe work to radiators, aircon, and yeah. To the nice Kermit green.